I got a donut. Yes, I love donuts.
To poop. Ooh, ew. What's up, awesome people? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Fewani.
And my name is Talia.
Welcome back. So on that note, we just want to thank each and every one of you who have been subscribing to our channel. We love and appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. And don't forget to keep those subscriptions coming. So yesterday, we went shopping and we found the cutest little toy. It's called the Pooparoos, Surpriseroos, something of that sort. So show them the toy, Talia.
It has a toilet and
yes, it has a toilet. So Talia decided that she wants to do an unboxing video for you guys because she loves you guys and she loves unboxing too.
Yes, and I love toys.
Yes, that's why she loves you guys and she loves toys too.
And
so
I love wrapping stuff.
Okay guys, so let's get into the video. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.
Yes.
So let's get started.
Now I'm going to open this. I think I have to open it from here. Oh, yes. Strong muscles come to me. I can. Oh my gosh! Yay! I figured it out.
Ooh, let me see. So tell them what we have.
We have a toilet right here, and we have this cute washroom, but just little cardboard. And the toilet is glittery and pink. It comes with a little pink toilet, and it came with the scoop right here. It can handle up right here. See?
Yeah, it hangs up right on the thing that you're supposed to flush. I don't know.
No. It's the handle.
Okay.
This is the handle right here, and it's super glittery like the toilet. And I love this one. This is a little toilet, and it's super glittery, and there's a poop on top. It have a very big smiling face, like this.
Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside, Talia.
Yep.
Ooh, this is a surprise. Which one of the squishy toy do you want to get?
I want to get the unicorn one. This one.
Okay, let's see which one we're gonna get.
I hope I'll get that one because it's so beautiful.
Oops.
Oh my gosh.
Which one did you get?
This one. Oh my gosh. I like this one more.
You like that one more?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's super glittery like this toilet.
It's glittery, let's see.
Yes, see? Like this toilet, like. Oh my gosh, it makes a noise.
Ooh, yeah, it makes a noise, guys.
And it's so squishy, and it can make like that. Like that. And I can bite my finger and poop. Eee!
Oh, it's a whale.
Yes.
Yes, it's a whale, Talia. I didn't even notice that.
I already noticed that because I didn't say it because I already know it is a whale because it has water on top.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to open up the top. there is free surprises is in here. This toilet paper and right there. And this toilet paper. I don't know what's in here. So there's this one is the other. So let's open it.
No, you're not supposed to open it. You have to throw the water inside.
Oops. Now we have the water, and then we're going to pour it out in there. Deep. I'm joking. I'm going to pour it right now. I'm going on the table. And that's it. I'm going to put these inside the toilet. That. 1, 2.
Ooh, and now you get to spin it around with the scoopy thing.
Scoops. Spin, 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 spin. Spin, spin all around. Spin. Mix it up, stir, stir, stir. Mix it up, stir, stir.
Ooh, is it there yet?
Now let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. I got a donut. Yes, I love donuts. And I got where did it go? Where did it go, you funny? Come here. I'm trying
Fishing for poop.
I got poop. Yeah. Green poop. Hey, I closed soil. And
Let's see.
look, this green ugly poop. Ew.
Ew, green poop.
Ew, that's disgusting. I got this, and I don't know what
It's a cactus. Look.
cactus.
Yes. So now you get to feed
The
your
creature.
you get to feed your things to the whale.
Yes.
So you got to feed it. Yum 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 yum.
I'm going to put in the poop. And then I'm going to put another one.
And then you take up the toilet.
And then you take it.
And then you put it on the toilet to poop. Let's see if it's going to poop. Ooh, it pooped.
Ew.
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 Ew. Next one. Let's see. Where is the next one? Maybe it's...
Ew.
There goes the cactus.
Ew.
Ew.
So yucky.
So, Talia, don't you think it would be great if this toilet actually can be flushed?
Yeah.
Okay.
It can't flush.
Yeah, it can flush. So, Talia, how would you rate this toy? Is it a thumbs up or
Yes.
thumbs down?
It's a thumbs up.
So, this toy was approved by Talia, and I think it gets a thumbs up from me also.
Nope. Yes.
Yeah. So, guys, I think this is a fun little toy.
Ring.
Yeah. Ew, your hand is in the poop. Ew.
No.
I think this is a little fun toy that your children can enjoy for the holiday, or you can get it for someone close to you. What do you think, Talia?
Or give it for somebody, or for Valentine's Day.
Okay, Talia says give it for Valentine's Day. Okay.
With your friends, not with your moms.
Okay, with your friends, not with your mom.
Look at me, I'm your beautiful creature. I don't care with your mother tongue creature. And I was with the gun and the leecher. Rum pum pow.
So awesome, people. We have come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed it.
And give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell right there and right there. See you in the next video. I got the whole roll, like a whole roll. I'm going right to my can no more.
Okay, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you guys in our next
video. Peace. I can stretch. Stretch.